Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to log into the Character AI app. Let's get started. Logging into the Character AI app is very simple. All you need to do is launch the app, and you'll be given a couple of options to log in. First, you can continue with your Apple ID if you have one. You can also log in using your Google account. However, if you have a separate email and password set up for your Character AI app, you can select Continue with Email. Now go ahead and enter the email address you'd like to use for your Character AI account. For this video, I'll use a temporary email. I'll copy the email address and paste it here, then just tap the Join button. It will ask for a couple of verifications, including verifying the link and choosing a password. As you can see, it has sent a verification email. I'll go ahead and open up my email right here. Once you receive the email, click on the verification link and it will take you to a new page. As you can see, your account has been created successfully. Now, simply refresh the page and a pop-up will appear saying, "Open this link in app." Click on it, and just like that, your Character AI account will be successfully logged in. That's how you can log into your account. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.